Okay.
When I start see and learn many new things every day, it is clean, quiet, and comfortable in my class. There are
many desks and chairs for students. There is also a green board in front of the class where the teacher write the lesson.
Okay.
My teacher stood in front of the classroom and declared the lesson to us students. We can hear clearly and do very good sometimes we work.
Okay. Select, right? Come on, you.